Thor Motor Coach just introduced the brand new 2026 Sequence 20U, and this is a game changer for couples who want compact van life without sacrificing comfort. This is Thor's newest floor plan for 2026, and it is taking the campervan world by storm. Built on the reliable Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis, the Sequence 20U measures just 21 feet 1 inch in length, making it incredibly easy to drive, park, and maneuver through tight city streets. Before we dive in, if you love compact campervan tours and RV reviews, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest walkthroughs. It really helps the channel grow. Today, we are giving you an exclusive first look at the new 2026 Thor Sequence 20U. We will show you every feature, every detail, and answer the big question. Is this the perfect couple's campervan for under $113,000? Let's get started. Let's start with the exterior. The Thor Sequence 20U is built on the Ram ProMaster 3500 XT window van chassis, and this is important for several reasons. First, the dimensions. At 21 feet 1 inch in length, 6 feet 9 inches in width, and 9 feet 5 inches in height, this is one of the most compact Class B motorhomes you can buy. It fits in standard parking spaces, drive-through lanes, and underground garages, perfect for full-time urban van lifers. The exterior features a clean white finish with silver accents, giving it a modern, professional look. You will notice the sliding side door on the passenger side for easy entry and exit. The Ram ProMaster chassis comes with a 159-inch wheelbase, providing excellent stability and ride comfort. And with a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, you can easily pull a small trailer or bring along motorcycles and bikes. Thor includes advanced safety features standard, including attention assist, traffic sign assist, active lane keeping assist, and blind spot assist. These are huge for safe highway driving. The exterior also features an available 12-foot Thule lateral arm power patio awning with integrated LED lighting, perfect for outdoor relaxation at the campsite. Step inside, and you immediately notice the beautiful coastal cream interior. This is Thor's premium decor package, featuring light beige upholstery, white glossy cabinets, and solid surface countertops throughout. The interior height measures 6 feet 3 inches, providing comfortable standing room for most people. The design is clean, minimalist, and yacht-like, with excellent use of natural light through strategically placed windows. What really stands out is how open everything feels despite the compact 21-foot footprint. Thor's designers have maximized every inch of space with clever storage solutions and a smart floor plan. The kitchen area is located at the front of the living space, and it is surprisingly well equipped for such a compact van. You have got a large residential-style refrigerator with excellent capacity for groceries and beverages. This is not a tiny RV fridge. This is a real refrigerator that can handle extended trips. The cooktop is a portable 2-burner induction unit that sits on the solid surface countertop. The beauty of the portable design is flexibility. You can move it outside for cooking or store it away to create more counter space when not in use. The deep undermount stainless steel sink features a modern pull-down faucet with hot and cold water from a 27-gallon freshwater tank. That is enough for several days of off-grid camping. Storage? Tons of it. White glossy cabinets above and below provide ample space for pots, pans, dishes, and dry goods. The solid surface countertops are easy to clean and look fantastic. Thor also includes a 2.6 4-gallon water heater, so you will always have hot water for dishes and showers. The living area is where the Sequence 20U truly shines. The rear of the van features 2 opposing sofas in beautiful beige fabric. These are not just seats, they are full-featured lounges perfect for relaxing, reading, or entertaining guests. Between the sofas, you have got a removable lagoon table. This ingenious mounting system allows you to position the table exactly where you want it, or remove it completely for more open floor space. Perfect for dining, working on your laptop, or game night. Quick reminder, if you are enjoying this detailed walkthrough, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this video to more RV enthusiasts like you. Now, up front, the swivel captain chairs from the cab seamlessly integrate into your living space. Simply swivel them around 180 degrees, and suddenly you have seating for 4 people. The standard edition includes a 24-inch smart TV, mounted on the wall with satellite prep, perfect for movie nights or catching up on your favorite shows. Thor also includes the WineGuard Connect 2.0 system, an all-in-one Wi-Fi extender, 4G hotspot, and TV antenna. Stay connected wherever you roam. Here is one of the biggest selling points of the 20U floor plan: a midship wet bath. This is located centrally in the van, providing easy access from both the living area and the cab. The wet bath is compact but fully functional. You have got a cassette toilet for easy waste disposal, a fold-down sink basin to save space when showering, chrome fixtures throughout, and a skylight above for natural light and ventilation. The white fiberglass shower walls are easy to clean and maintain. And because it is a wet bath, the entire room is the shower. Just close the door, turn on the water, and you have got a private shower wherever you camp. This is rare in campervans under 22 feet. Most compact vans sacrifice the bathroom for more living space, but Thor understood that having a full bathroom is non-negotiable for extended travel. The 4-gallon black water tank is adequate for the cassette toilet system, and the design makes dumping waste simple and odor-free. Now let's talk about sleeping arrangements. The 2 rear sofas effortlessly convert into a spacious full-width bed, measuring 72 inches by 74 inches. That is a full-size bed with plenty of room for 2 adults to sleep comfortably. The conversion is easy. Simply remove the cushions from the base, arrange them flat, and you have got a comfortable sleeping surface. No complicated folding mechanisms or heavy lifting required. Overhead cabinets provide storage for clothes, toiletries, and personal items without taking up valuable floor space. And because the bed is in the rear, you have got excellent privacy from the front cab area. The windows feature blackout zipper shades in the Sport Edition or cassette shades in the Standard Edition, ensuring you can sleep in even on bright sunny mornings. The front cab is comfortable and feature-packed. The Ram ProMaster comes with modern amenities including a digital dashboard, ergonomic steering wheel with cruise control, and excellent visibility through large windows. Both driver and passenger seats are leatherette swivel captain chairs with armrests in the Standard Edition. They rotate a full 180 degrees, allowing them to become part of your living space when parked. The Sport Edition features factory-covered swivel chairs for a more budget-friendly option, but they still provide the same comfort and functionality. The cab also includes multiple storage compartments, cup holders, and USB charging ports to keep your devices powered on the go. Technology-wise, the Sequence 20U is well equipped for modern van life. The Standard Edition includes a 24-inch smart TV with satellite prep, perfect for streaming your favorite content. The WineGuard Connect 2.0 system provides Wi-Fi extension, a 4G hotspot, and a TV antenna all in one unit. Stay connected at campgrounds or remote locations. LED lighting throughout the van is energy efficient and provides excellent illumination. Multiple USB charging ports are strategically placed for keeping phones, tablets, and laptops charged. The Standard Edition also includes a two-lay roof rack for carrying kayaks, bikes, or additional gear on adventures. Under the hood, the Thor Sequence 20U is powered by the Ram ProMaster's 3.6-litre Pentastar 5.6 gasoline engine. This proven power plant produces 276 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the front wheels through a smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission. This combination provides excellent fuel economy for a vehicle of this size, along with confident highway passing power. The 24-gallon fuel tank provides good range for extended road trips, and with regular gasoline, you will save money compared to diesel engines. The chassis features a gross vehicle weight rating of 9,350 pounds, with a hitch weight capacity of 5,000 pounds for towing trailers, motorcycles, or cargo carriers. Safety features are comprehensive. Attention assist monitors, driver fatigue, traffic sign assist displays speed limits, active lane keeping assist prevents unintentional lane departure, and blind spot assist warns of vehicles in your blind spots. These advanced driver aids make highway travel safer and less stressful. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where the Sequence 20U becomes really attractive. The MSRP starts at $164,836. However, current dealer discounts bring the actual sale price down to around $112,998. That is a savings of over $51,000. For that price, you are getting a fully equipped Class B motorhome with a wet bath, full kitchen, convertible sleeping, and all the modern amenities. Compare that to similar vans from Winnebago, Airstream, or Pleasureway that often cost $180,000 or more. Popular options include the Sport Edition for budget-conscious buyers, the Premium Standard Edition with leatherette chairs and power awning, and the Thule roof rack for outdoor gear. You can also add solar panels, upgraded electronics, and additional storage solutions. Fully optioned, you are still looking at under $120,000, making this one of the best values in the compact Class B market. So, is the 2026 Thor Sequence 20U worth it? Absolutely. If you are looking for a compact, well-equipped campervan that is easy to drive, park, and live in full-time, this checks all the boxes. The Midship wet bath is a game-changer. The convertible bed sleeps 2 adults comfortably. The kitchen is fully functional. And at under $113,000 with current discounts, it is an incredible value. Would I buy one? If I was in the market for a compact couple's campervan with full amenities, yes, without hesitation. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss our next RV tour. Drop a comment below. Would you choose the Thor Sequence 20U or spend more for a larger van? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and remember, adventure awaits. See you on the road.